Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. Today here we are to review the Google Nexus 5X. This is gonna be my first Android mobile review. Let us start that. This is the Google Nexus 5X, and apart from this we have a charger over here which is as given as the C-type USB which support the quick charging as well. And keeping this apart, coming to the device, this is a 5.2 inch screen. You are on side with the front face, and for the market sake it has been launched in two variants. This is of 16 GB and the other one is of 32, and the vice versa. This is the 5.2 inch screen, and you can see the very light and slim and sleek design manner of designing is very good. And we have SIM card tray over at the left, and at the right we have the volume buttons as well as the power button, and we have two bezels at the up and down. We have speakers mounted over there, and the left we have a front view camera over there, and at the top we have a mic, and at the bottom we have the charging port and 3.5 mm audio jack and another mic as well. Coming to the back, we have a camera of 12 megapixels, and we have a dual tone flash over here, and the beneath we have a fingerprint sensor which performs very quick, and the beneath we have the Nexus branding, and at the beneath we have LG badge as well, who is the manufacturer. Coming to the hardware as well as the software specifications, this Nexus device weighs 136 grams and it is completely of plastic body, and only nano SIM is supported. And it also offers IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen with 16 million colors, and the size is of 5.2 inches and the resolution is 1080 into 1920 pixels. And it also offers Corning Gorilla Glass 3 with oleophobic coating. This device has been launched with Android 6.0, that is the Marshmallow, and can be upgradable to Android 8.0, that is nothing but our audio. And the chipset is of Qualcomm Snapdragon 808, and the GPU is of Adreno 418. And coming to the memory, there is no card slot available to input your external SD card. And coming to the internal memory, there are two variants, that is 16 and 32 GB as well. The RAM is of 2 GB. Coming to the camera, the primary camera is of 12.3 megapixels, and it also offers laser autofocus, dual tone LED dual tone flash. And coming to the video captures, it captures 2160 pixels at 30 frames per second, and 1080p at 30 frames per second, and 720p at 120 frames per second with HDR. And coming to the secondary camera, it is of 5 megapixels with HDR. This device supports the noise cancellation feature, which is very good at this budget mobile. And coming to the battery, it is of 2700 mAh and has a very good battery backup, I hope. This device is now available at 23,999 at Amazon. And this is a mid-range device, and the build quality as well as user experience has a very good feel and feedback. This has a pure Android flavor, which is a very good combination with the price. Mid-level users, I suggest you this device. This is a very good one. Now I am going to set up the device. You can see the Google badge over there on the screen. The device is loading now. Yeah, hello Nexus. I am setting it now. This is the first setup screen, and I am clicking on start. It is searching for Wi-Fi, and I am clicking on my personal network. Setup as new. Now I'm signing it now with my Google account. By clicking on agree, I'm done with my task. Now I'm setting up my fingerprint scanner. I'm setting the fingerprint now by clicking on next. This is the fingerprint scanner beneath the primary camera. When I touch on that, you can feel some vibration. I have to remove the finger after feeling the vibration, and I have to fill the circle over here. Yeah, I'm done, and now clicking on next. And next. No thanks. Yeah, I'm done. This is our Nexus 5X home screen. We are on the home screen of the Nexus 5X, and now I'm going to open some apps. First, starting with phone. Yeah, response is very quick. The messages and the apps. Yeah, these are the apps which are found in the mobile currently. The browser, it's also loading fast. And the camera. Of course, the camera is very good. Coming to the notifications. Yeah, these notifications are also aligned in a very good manner. And this is the setting screen which is adjacent to the notifications. This is a very good alignment. Coming to the overview of this device, the Nexus 5X will satisfy the device customer, whoever buys that. Pure Android flavor is very good, and this is often in a mid-range, which is the best choice for the Android lovers. And choosing this device is also best choice according to my perspective. The design as well as the pure Android flavor is a special attraction for this device. After using some days, I'll make a deep review of this device.
Hey guys, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.